Okay, so on this video, we're picking up where we left off in practice 310. In 310, you researched equine liability, or what would happen if somebody got hurt from a horse, and what does Florida have to say about that? And we found this statute here. It's Chapter 773, Section 3. And it basically says that you can hold, like the Hillsborough Equine Club, you could hold them liable if they basically failed in determining that the rider who caused the damage wasn't as good as they needed to be. So anyway, if you want to find if there are any cases that interpret this, you can't find those immediately on the Florida's official statutes website. They have just the statutory text here. To find cases, you'd have to go over to the court's website, and even then it would be a struggle. So then you could go to Google Scholar and find cases, but there's no direct connection between the statute and the case. So you're basically doing a search from scratch. Well, you can slingshot into case law, into the fourth step of the research process, by using Lexis or Westlaw, where they already link up the cases. So here's the statute we were just looking at in the official Florida statutes. It's the same one here. And if you go down below, you get things called annotations, and then under annotations you get case notes. And by the way, in Lexis you can just click on Go To and then Case Notes, and it takes you right to it. And then here we have several cases that have interpreted this. So now, for purposes of setting up analogies, we can read these looking for analogies. Like here, somebody was bit by a horse. Here there was a mound of dirt that caused an accident. So we can analogize what happened in our case to what happened in these cases. So the same thing happens in Westlaw. But the tabs are up here. So here's our statute that we're looking at, the same one again, and then you click on Notes of Decisions, and then it will lead us to the cases that the editors have linked up and have determined are helpful for understanding this statute. And then, of course, there's citing references, where this is every single document that Westlaw has that is cited to this one section, Section 3 of Chapter 773. So there's a lot of information here you can get very quickly. And this is why you pay for Westlaw and Lexis, really, because you can get statutes for free, you can get cases for free, but what Westlaw and Lexis give you is everything all in one place, and it's linked up. So you can quickly get from one thing to the next. You can quickly proceed through the 4 steps of the research process. So anyway, those are annotations, and that's how you find them. See you back in the book.